So for food plot number 2, when I say food plot, I mean actually in an area where we've mowed, run the tiller a little bit, spread this out over it, and then come back with rakes and rake it in to the dirt. As you notice, there's corn and sunflower seeds, and even a couple of peanuts. Peanuts will grow around here too. But this is a critter mix, but I think it's probably, well, you know, squirrels like it, yeah, rabbits will like it, but I'm not putting it out just on the ground for them to come and eat, which they probably will, but that's okay. We've got some hefty, healthy rabbits. We got some squirrels out there too. Alright, so the ingredients of this one is whole corn, striped sunflower seeds, black oil sunflower seeds, and in-shell peanuts. But I was looking through that and I don't see many peanuts, but oh well. I'm sure they're in there, but not many. But I'm not so into the peanuts right now as I am into the corn and the sunflower seeds. So this mixture, it wasn't very expensive. I got this at Tractor Supply. So mix it in the dirt. I see there's a peanut right there. But mix it in with the dirt out there. You know, we're only going to till up maybe an inch of dirt, and then, you know, just rake all this into the dirt. And then let it rain. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. And this will be food plot number 2. And right over there you can see, let me hold my phone up. I'm thinking from that back corner up to where I'm doing the compost over there. This way, and then maybe down a little bit. Well, I don't know how we're going to do it precisely, but we're going to take some of that area over there and we're going to turn it into a corn and sunflower feed plot for the animals. And this one's going to be, I mean, I know deer love corn. I don't know if they like sunflowers or not, but I know the chickens and the turkey, they love sunflowers and corn. So we're going to put in a small feed plot over there, and then over here, like between this tree here, like not under the tree, but kind of like off, like from there over a little bit. I'm going to park the Airstream camper there. And it'll be close enough to the cottage here for us to be able to run an extension cord over to it, water hose or whatever, and have some electricity and water in it. And look at those clouds. So I'm hoping to get this food plot done over here before the rain today. So I'm going to have to get a little bit busy. And there's the garden tiller. I'll let Kenneth do the garden tiller whenever he's ready. And we'll get the spreader, set it up to spread the corn and the sunflower seeds. And these seeds, I'm going to end up going back and doing a 3rd food plot for the deer. I figured that'd be a good spot for the Airstream, kind of like right there where that shady area is. Back a little bit, but not under the trees so much. Kind of like in there, but not under the trees. And then what we'll do, I'm going to mow all this, but only half of it's going to be food plot. The other half is going to be Airstream with a nice yard. And under that tree there, nice little shady area, I'm going to put a swing. And we're going to do some little flower beds and things around the Airstream camper. And I don't know, I think you guys might be seeing a whole new YouTube channel coming up sometime soon. And I think whenever it does get started, I'm gonna have you guys check it out and hopefully subscribe to it. And it's gonna be called Creative Southern Lady, and you'll be able to meet her as she starts doing some cool things with the Airstream camper and in the house. You know, different little projects she's doing, different creative things, stuff like that. So anyway, you know, look forward to that. Whenever she gets it going, I'll let you know. I think one of those deers, I saw him out here just the other day, so he decided to plop one down right there. But he's right here next to the blackberry bush. And when we walked the property, we spotted a bunch of blackberry bushes out there. So these little things are slowly coming on. And you know, I'm hoping to. Most people see them as just a weed that interferes with life, but I see them as jelly. That's what I see them as. Maybe pie or something like that. But you know, we're identifying some smaller ones coming out a little bit further out, and we're going to make sure that we don't mow them down. We're just going to hopefully propagate them so that they become a good, nice blackberry garden. And the compost. We add things to the compost, and the birds come behind us and kind of mess with it. When I say the birds, I mean like the big blackbirds, crows or ravens or whatever they are. They love to come down here and see what we pitch into the compost. Maybe some other birds. I noticed a turkey out here scratching around one day as well. But you know, we make sure we don't throw anything out here that would attract critters like, you know, rats or mice or anything like that. At least try not to. But the eggs, who knows? I mean, the eggs may attract that, but as we work on it, we're just going to do little updates. I'll probably do a whole video, or not video, but a whole series of compost videos. Well, I'm going to get the mower started. Get this thing started and just mow all this down. And as I mow it down, I like the bagger. As the bagger fills up, I'll empty it on top of the compost over there. And I'm going to see if I can get all this mowed. And that part over there, we're going to park another camper over there, so I need to get that cleaned up over there. But from the little gate coming this way, we're going to do some more raised bed gardens. So I will have to get all that cleaned up. But whenever I've got the materials to do these raised bed gardens, then I'll get busy on that and do some videos on that as well. So Kenneth got up, got him a cup of coffee, and decided to come out and help. So he's mowing. I'm going to go out and finish mowing here in a minute. And we're going to mow all the way down to the fence line back there behind the cottage, down through there. But we're only going to do the food plot from like that tree there down this way. Not all the way to the fence, but this way, and then back along there, along back there where that fence is. After working out there, mowing, collecting some rocks, the loose rocks that we could find, I came in and I got me some iced coffee. The ice is already melting though. And what happened was, I don't know if you can see it, but it's raining right now. It's raining. But Kenneth was using the tiller And you can see back there where he's tilled a few rows back there. And I was collecting loose rocks all in this area and putting them in the back of the pickup truck. And now it's raining more, so oh, I need to go in. Oh my gosh, hang on. All right, looks like the rain's passed for now. Anyway, Kenneth has already gotten back out there. He's wanting to get this food plot all tilled up today. I was collecting some rocks, like I was saying earlier, and putting them in the back of the old Chevy truck out there. And I'm going to get out there. I got to get the lawnmower back out, and I'm going to mow. See if I can get this done. You can see the dark clouds there. I think that's past. It's going past. But yeah, it poured down rain for a little while. Still a little wet here and there, but there's still a lot of moisture on the plants, and but we're getting there. So I was out here under this tree doing some pickup sticks. Anyway, mowing. I'm wanting to get all this area here mowed and cleaned up, get the limbs trimmed back under the trees here along the fence line, and I want to get it nice and clean because we're going to put that Airstream camper right here and trim back some of these limbs so that it's not touching the Airstream. And Kenneth is doing a great job out there. He's running that tiller, and it's really coming on. We decided we better get busy out here and not diddly-daddly around, because for a while there, every time we came out here to do anything, it started raining on us again. So I've gone around and I've picked up some rocks. Now I'm mowing and picking up sticks, and every once in a while I'll find another good sized rock. And all these different rocks in here, the bigger ones that I can actually break loose from the ground, I'm gonna be taking them down to the driveway where I need to fill in down where the water has washed away. And over there's some more animal manure where an animal came through. It kind of looks like horse manure, but I've been picking up sticks so that we can do the fire here soon. That right there is deer scat, deer poop. So the deer have definitely been coming through, and I'm hoping our feedlots that we're putting in will really benefit all the different animals. And some of these rocks are like bedrock, some gravelly stuff here, but we're definitely coming on with our second food plot for the animals. So let me get back. I'm going to get back to mowing. I'm going to get all this cleaned up because I'm hoping, well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow and the next day, but I'm hoping before long I'll have this set up so that we can do that Airstream right here. And we're going to do a few videos on fixing it up, making a nice little cool spot. It had started pouring down rain on us again. So we took a break and let it pour down rain for about 15 minutes, and the rain let up. So we decided we would just go ahead and put that corn and sunflower seed mixture in the spreader. And Kenneth went out there and spreaded it all over the area that was already tilled up. Look at him, he's a little bit wet. He's happy though. Alright, Kenneth finished tilling the area he wanted to till. Now he's spreading the rest of the corn and sunflower mixture. And we're just taking the whole bag, we're just seeding that whole area out there. And it's rained a couple of times today. And it's supposed to rain like starting this evening. Solid, oh excuse me, solid continuous rain for about, I'm gonna say 3 days.
maybe. At least a day and a half that I know of. But maybe up to 3 days. So I'm going to say that's going to come on and start growing. And this is corn and sunflowers. A couple of different types of sunflowers, a couple of different types of corn, and I think it had peanuts mixed in with it too. So wish us luck, and we'll give you updates as it goes. Slowly getting it mowed, getting it nice and cleaned up there. We're going to trim some of these limbs back on these trees so that we can walk under them all the way up to the fence without getting, you know, bumped into by the limbs and stuff like that. And Kenneth says he's done. It took him a while to get this tilled, and he's got corn. I don't know if you can see it, but we got corn all down in there. Corn and sunflower seeds, different types of sunflower seeds. You can see some of those seeds. And what we need to do, so I noticed there's different size sunflower seeds in there. And there's also some peanuts. I haven't seen many peanuts, but yeah, got it all spread in there pretty good. So I need to go in there and get the rocks out, collect all these little rocks and put them down where the driveway is. Get all these little rocks out to make it better for tilling next time. So next year when we till this, I think we're going to have a couple of truckloads of good compost, maybe composted manure or something like that to throw in here. Just make this into a garden, you know, for using each year for different things. Maybe next year this will just be turnips. Who knows? Alright, well, wish us luck on our garden. I need to go find a rake so that we can rake this in.